We wanted to do something together, so we started the company before we even knew exactly what we were going to do, with Brice and Christophe in 2002. About a year later, during an internship, we decided to really go for it. Our parents didn't know how to use computers. I mean, they're not stupid, but the machines that they had access to were just not suited to their needs. IT is just a tool and not something they really want to get worked up about. We came up with the idea for Ordissimo. In 2003, we started working on a prototype and a market study. We got hold of motherboards and we just got started and really wanted to make an easy computer, and the result was the first small prototype running Linux. In 2004, we started recruiting engineers who were at the end of their studies, and we were working on the model to be released. We sold the first Ordissimo in 2005. We sold 500 in the first year, and relatively quickly there was a sort of craze for the product. And thanks to that, we were able to start raising funds and to develop the machine, which led us to where we are today, in France, Belgium and Germany. There was a moment when the spread of technology amongst the younger population hit such a level that it just became indispensable for everyone, and that was when we arrived on the scene. We like to think of ourselves as technology smugglers, putting usability at the heart of the device rather than the emphasis being on the technology itself. We're not looking for the most advanced technology. On the contrary, we want to adapt technology for people who just want to be able to use it. What can we do to bring this technology to everyone? Well, there are lots of very technical devices that are not used by many people. And yet there are many inventions that are excellent because of a small innovation in the right place that just changes something in everyone's life. It was important to offer a product they could be proud of. Some of our competitors make products that are a little difficult to use. The buttons are really big and not very attractive. We also have a very active community. There's a portal that welcomes all Ordissinauts on the web, and some of them create articles, photos, slideshows, or post their videos and share them with other users, and it's something which is followed by a lot of our users. We receive about 3,000 comments every month. We try to understand what their problems are, and from this feedback we then come up with the product. And the smartphone is one of the best examples of this, as it was our users who helped us to design it. We've received really touching comments from our clients who've said, "A big thank you. You've really been a driving force in helping me have a social life again." There'll always be products that need adapting, so we'll adapt them as new technology arrives. And in our society where technology evolves in so many different fields, we'll continue to simplify them as we've done for the computer or the phone.